Welcome to my channel. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and see you in the vlog. Bye bye. Good morning friends. Another day, another morning and another greetings. So now it is around 11 a.m. in the morning. I am ready with my bath and all done. So outside weather is really pleasant today. It's now sun has started to come, but wind is also very heavy. You must be hearing the sound. तो आज का प्लान क्या है? So today at my work it's a full day of learning day. We call it day of learning. So today the plan is to learn whatever our hands can go on, and we always wanted to learn, maybe on the job or maybe something else we'll be learning, and there are some sessions that some of the folks may be giving, and interesting sessions like share your read. For example, if you have read some book in the recent past, you can share your experience stuff there, and that is one kind of a session. There is another session interesting, which is the art of storytelling. So I believe that would be really interesting, and there are some other technical stuffs as well. So आज तो हम फुल पढ़ेंगे और पढ़ाई ही करते रहेंगे. मिलते हैं फिर बाद में. बाय. गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स. तो आज का लर्निंग डे तो ख़त्म हो गया. बहुत सारे सेशंस अटेंड किया, स्पेशली जो मैंने बोला था, जो फॉर विच आई वॉज एक्साइटेड फॉर. One was the art of storytelling and another was share your read. So definitely I attended those two sessions for sure. And let me so the one which was I was more excited, the art of storytelling, it turned out to be little more different than what I had assumed it to be. So I had thought it would be in terms of the general communication and how we can share a talk, or if you are pitching, or if you are talking something in a bigger forum, how we can keep the audience captivated with what you are saying. So that is what I thought would be there, something around that in terms of more generic in that session of art of storytelling, whereas it turned out to be more of the concept being used for product management, how a product manager can pitch in their idea to the stakeholders with facts, with having a valid flow, without overpowering with lot of information to the end listener, whoever are part of that meeting. So they were more in terms of product management. How will you build your storyline when you are designing, planning for a product idea, or pitching in a product idea, sort of. That was that topic, but the topic which I did not expect to be too much, that kind of surprised me, being so nice. So that was the share your read. In that basically they three different folks, it was a 1 hour session, and three different folks from our team, they shared one book what they have read recently. Actually those are kind of just a month back, our leadership team in India, they had given us each of the employees, and they have given us 10 leadership books which they have read and found it, and they're like really interesting. So these three books that our team had shared their read are from those 10 books. So ideally this is really like generally we like to read books, but we don't know what is good or what is bad, but so we never go and purchase such a book. But when something our leaders has read and they share the reads that they have liked, even starting from the CEO of the company, when they share the same books with us, we definitely being as the book being there, we try to read it, and it is full of surprise. There's so much to learn, even though we are engineers, not in a leadership position, but leadership has nothing to do with your level. It can, if you have that skill or you want to build that skill, any level is absolutely fine. So with that, so we should not avoid कि I have not reached that level for me to read the leadership book. That assumption should not be right. We should, no matter whether you are a fresher or you are an intern or you are planning for a future career in certain line, the leadership, the skill or the tricks and the others experience that comes with this kind of non-fiction books definitely will benefit you and make you a better person the next day what you were last time. And obviously not a single book can change your thought process and all, but when you make it a habit and because we may read but we may forget it, but when you are in touch with these books, automatically these skills will get built into you. So I would definitely suggest folks to give it a chance and read these kind of books when you have time. And I'm actually planning to come up with a series where I will share my read with you folks, and with different books that I have. It may not be one book, may last for 3-4 such small sessions, but yeah, I have the idea of doing such a thing. So do let me know if you want me to cover any such book through this share your read kind of a series that we may do. See you then. Bye. Hi friends, thank you for watching my channel. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and give your viewpoint in your comment section, and do share with your friends, and above all subscribe to my channel. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.
Another day, another morning, and another greetings. Another day, another morning, and another greetings.